Hi viewers, today we are here at Vibrant Marketplace where colors, aroma and flavors collide to create an unforgettable experience. As you navigate through the bustling Devraj market, you will be greeted with friendly vendors. You'll feel the pulse of the city come alive. One of such stores that attracts people from faraway places at this market is Guru Sweets. So this store is the birthplace of the Mysore Pak, a delicacy that is rich in history and cherished for generations.
Hello everyone, we are at the legendary Guru Sweets in Devraj Market, Mysore. So today we are going to explore the OG of Mysore Pak, right? So let's go and try. As we go ahead and try Mysore Pak, so again, pretty much across the globe or across the world, people know, what Mysore Pak is. Again, some parts of Asia where I have been, it's called Monsoor also. It's the same dish. Again, talking of the history, so Takasuru Madappa is the inventor of Mysore Pak, right? So the erstwhile Wadiyar kings were, had a lot of sweet tooth. So he went ahead and he asked the chief chef, who is the owner of this place, to go ahead. Actually, he made that, and then the king suggested him to go ahead and give it to the public. That's how Guru Sweets came into presence, and it's their same sixth generation, same family is still running this place, right? So we'll go ahead and try the OG of Mysore Pak. So what you're seeing here are the two stores. So the small kiosk in the corner is the initial store, then they expanded, and what you see here is the new store. So I am really excited about tasting it. So let's go ahead. I believe there are 4 to 5 varieties of Mysore Pak here. So let's go ahead and try. So as we wait here, I've been seeing, lot of Mysore Pak moving, and then I think this is their original ghee Mysore Pak. So as you can see, my friend has been helping me because there are a lot of variety. Obviously, I'll get confused. So let me get started with this. Again, even the ingredients are very humble, as we all know. It's your besan, that is your gram flour, ghee, sugar, that's all, and then that is all amalgamated into this magic called Mysore Pak, right? So I did taste the ghee one, so let me go ahead and try the other one. So now I'd like to try the milk and ghee one. That is little more softer, but again this has a, I like this consistency more, a good or rather we are used to this consistency, I would say. This is also really good. Maybe I'd like to have some water because so that I can differentiate these tastes. Okay, I did take a break, have some water so that I can actually differentiate. Now what you are having here is this is Badam Mysore Pak, right? Again, we all know that the Badam Halwa is very famous. Again, Mysore Pak itself has a lot of variations, right? Here itself you are seeing 7 different types, but pretty much they add Horlicks into it, they add Bonvita into it, and then you name a ingredient, they have across the country, length and breadth, you have different varieties. So what I'm having now is the Badam. You can pause it, come here. So you can feel that small chunks of, rather small pieces of badam in it. It's also good. So now let us try the elder brother of badam, the dry fruit Mysore Pak. You can see a lot of dry fruits right on the thing. So let me. Now this is chiwi in the form of having the dry fruits in there. I can feel badam again. I can definitely feel cashew in it, right? So let me have one more bite of it. I also see some. It's either kismis or it's more like a cherry here. That just melts into your mouth, right? Wow. Sir, your name, sir?
Shivanand.
Shivanand ji, he's the 6th generation.
Fifth generation.
5th generation.
I'm 4th generation. Our beta 5th generation.
Oh, you are 4th generation.
I'm 4th
So he's your great grandfather.
Great grandfather.
So sir, can you tell us a little history about how the Mysore Pak got invented?
ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದದ್ದು. ಅದು ಅರಮನೆ ನಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಕುರು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ವಂಶಸ್ಥರಿಂದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊರ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೊಳಗೋಗಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಗೋಗಿ ಕರೆಯೋದೇ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರದ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 90 ವರ್ಷದ ಇತಿಹಾಸ. ಈ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಕಾಸುರ ಮಾದಪ್ಪನವರು ಮುಮ್ಮಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಪಾಕತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಂದ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥದ್ದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ತಿಂದು ಬಂದ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಹೆಸರೇನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ರಾಜರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೈಸೂರು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪಾಕ ಇಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಇವಾಗ 7 ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ 7 ವೆರೈಟಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ವನಸ್ಪತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಒಂದು ಗೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಒಂದು ಗೀ ವಿತ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಬಾದಾಮಿ, ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್, ಕಾಜು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಗ್ರಿ, ಬೆಲ್ಲದ್ದು, ಅಷ್ಟು 7 ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಅದೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕನ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ಅದು ಗುರು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ವಂಶಸ್ಥರನ್ನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
Thank you, sir. And sir, like, which is the most out of 7 variety? Fast moving
ghee Mysore Pak, sir.
Your standard
regular special ghee one. All varieties of the pieces ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪೀಸಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಘೀ ವಿತ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಬಾದಾಮಿ, ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್, ಕಾಜು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ghee Mysore Pak, sir.
I know that this is a business secret, but if I can ask, how many kgs of
ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊತೀವಿ.
Any plans of expansion, sir?
ಸರ್,
maybe in Bangalore if we put a branch, all of us will come.
ನೋಡ ಸರ್, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
Sir,
ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರೀಕರು, ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿರೀಕರು ಇದಾರ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಐಟಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಸರ್. ಅದು
What is your favorite, sir, out of 7 varieties?
ಸರ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್, ಘೀ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್,
Ghee Mysore Pak, original.
ಅಥೆಂಟಿಕ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಸರ್.
Do you also prepare
ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಸರ್, ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನಟರಾಜ್
Sir, I think you should apply for a GI tag
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
because area la you will get a GI tag for Mysore.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Namaskara, sir. Thank you so much for speaking into the channel, sir.